Making easy pancakes. Hello, students. Today, we will learn a simple recipe to make delicious pancakes. Pancakes are a popular breakfast dish. They are sweet and fluffy. Here is a simple recipe for you. Ingredients: 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, butter for cooking. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. 2. In another bowl, beat the egg and add the milk. 3. Pour the egg and milk mixture into the flour mixture. 4. Stir well until the batter is smooth. 5. Heat a pan and add a little butter. 6. Pour some batter into the pan. 7. Cook until bubbles form on the surface. 8. Flip the pancake and cook the other side. 9. Repeat until all batter is used. 10. Serve the pancakes with syrup or your favorite toppings. Enjoy your pancakes.